everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I'm back with some more sort of Valentine's Day inspired type cards. And so for my cards today, I'm using the 6x6 layering stencil, which apparently I bought twice, so it went in my D-stash bag. So at some point, I don't have a lot of stuff to D-stash, but at some point I'd probably do a D-stash on some really nice things that I have. But I really like this. It does layer. I didn't really use it in a layering fashion, but I did use this. And then I use this one, which I have two stamps, packed in here, but I only use this one, the Mitten one. And I think it's called Smitten Mitten or something like that. And I use that one from Trinity Stamps, and I don't believe I'd ever used it before. I think it was unloved, and now it's greatly loved. So let's go ahead and show you the cards. So I did the Tailored Expressions mini slim size, which is, I believe it's 3.5 by 6. And I used craft, and I used that layering stencil, and I did a red glitter paste and then a silver paste over that. And then I cut and colored out my mittens, and then I did layer it up with some Tailored Expressions hearts I had left over from one of my first Valentine's Day projects of the year. I did a little bit of vellum because when I cleaned out my craft room, I found my vellum, so I used that. And then I actually did a little bit of white embossing here for the sentiment. I'm smitten with you. This one says I'm smitten with you as well. And then this one's popped up. They're popped up on foam. So there's those two. And then this one, I did the big heart of that stencil. I used Candy Apple, I think, Distress Oxide ink, and then I just kind of smushed it with some water, like on a paper towel. I had my mittens, I colored with Copics, I cut out, and then I had a couple of these yellow hearts. I also used the stencil for some of these little red hearts, which I then used like a crystal lacquer on top of it to give it that shiny kind of look. And so those are my projects with the Smitten Mitten stamp set by Trinity Stamps. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with the Heart.